Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your game lagging while you have your Discord turned on. For some people the game lags when they have Discord open, and when they close it the game just seems to go back to normal like nothing ever happened. But maybe you want to have Discord open while you're playing your video game, so let me show you how to fix that lag that you're getting from it. So first of all, you go to user settings, and now you scroll all the way right here under app settings. You go to advanced and you have hardware acceleration. Now you turn this off. Basically this will ask you to restart Discord. So let me first explain what is actually happening right here. So this part, it's actually using your GPU to make Discord a lot smoother, and turning this off will, well, make it not use so much power from your GPU, which will probably fix your FPS problems in your video game while you have Discord turned on. So basically, let's quickly restart. And yeah, this should have fixed your problem. So anyways guys, if this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer all of your questions. And anyways, have a nice day.